Hiya! Are you ready to code? How's your energy? Imagine playing your favorite video games or watching movies without sound. I mean, it wouldn't be very fun, right? Let's learn how to add short sound effects and long background soundtracks to our project to make them even better. Let's code. To play a sound, use the following command. There's a drop-down menu where you can choose which sounds you want. So to start, there's only one meow, but we can add more. In the top left corner of the screen, click the Sounds tab next to Code and Costumes button. Then, at the bottom left of the screen, click the Sounds button and check out all the different types of sound you can add. After you find the ones you want, add it, and your screen should now look like this. Now, you can go back to the drop-down menu of the Play Sound command and change it to the one you want. Here's a quick example of how the command works. The above command will play the quick sound effect, bonk, when the green flag is clicked. Nice, and that was pretty easy, right? Next, let's add music that plays throughout our game to the following example. We want the soundtrack chill to just keep playing until we stop the program. Oh, here's a quick tip for choosing a background soundtrack. When in the Choose a Sound window, select the filter for loops, because those won't be any short sound effects. It'll just be the longer ones that's gonna make really, really good background soundtracks. You got this. All right, have some fun and add some sounds. I'll see you soon.